Okay, there we go.
So.
Bad decisions are being made today, Courtney.
And I've never done this before, so you're dead, dude.
Just got my hair cut today. Really short on the sides.
Oh, that's the Spanish side. I'm like, wow, I really don't understand this. That was fun.
This is not gonna be good.
I'm not the one that told him to do this. He's doing this on his own.
You know, I thought I should have asked more questions.
I told you the risks.
I know. I didn't listen.
Avoid breathing when we do this.
What?
It says, avoid breathing dust, fumes, gas, mist, vapors, sprays, etc. from these products. So basically just don't breathe while we do this. Making a bomb right now. Can I say that?
I don't think you can say that. I actually like stopped the video and right as I started it, it's like I feel like I'm making a bomb. Well, I'm gonna be making a skeleton. How's that? No.
Right, and this is put
Oh,
back on.
okay. Oh, ooh. This is all kinds of broken.
Shake for 1 minute. 1, 2.
I almost got stabbed in the eye turning around to look.
Brittany, is this correct?
That's an appetizing sound.
Is that appetizing?
I really hope that got caught on the...
I need... Okay, I think I'll need them.
Do you want to hand me those scissors?
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you. I'm gonna just put a huge sensor bar around my boobies as to not...
They're not even on the...
You know what? I'm thinking that they might be at some point, and I don't want my
You
boobies.
scream when I burn your scalp with bleach.
Yeah, that's gonna be fun. Watch my family get disappointed. Everybody hates me. I'm gonna open my Lego pieces.
I don't know if it's been a minute. I'm kind of guessing. It's a
You have a timer
minutes,
on.
so it's fine.
You have a timer on the
It's
video.
fine.
Put 2 gloves on? Like,
Oh, yeah.
2 on each hand.
I don't want to get bleach on my hands.
I guess. But...
And this one already has a hole in it. So. Bleach on the skin is not good.
Yeah, I know.
And I am not a professional, so. So it said to remove away from face and eyes. Did.
Oh my gosh. Like this video to see me do stupid things again. Oh, my superhero.
My date Courtney.
My superhero cape came undone.
You want to build your a Lego thing?
We're gonna build a Lego set.
You want to?
I could.
Hold on. Go. Here you are.
Alright, I'm gonna build a Lego set while Courtney does my hair. Let's do this. Alright. Got me a panda bear shower cap. Don't know why we need
And all
that.
the bleach
Ooh.
in a troll's cup.
Why is it blue?
Because it's bleach. You know, blue.
I thought bleach was clear.
Here, do you want to hold this? There's like a table. It's not planned. Okay, lean back. Lean back. Hold up. Like, no, just hold one hand. Yeah, stay there.
I thought I was supposed to be... Ooh, here we go. That's an interesting feeling.
You've never had this done before. That's what's fun about it.
Yeah, I
get
feel
to-
like a Bob Ross painting right now.
You are. I feel like I need more. Just.
I thought I was supposed to be making a Lego thing while you were doing this.
I'm sorry. You're my table now. Not a Lego builder. Here, I can hold it. You're good.
The instructions are so far away. When you go back to dip, I'm going to reach.
Alright, I'll tell you. Oh, it stinks, dude.
Probably should have opened a window. We're gonna get high off of bleach fumes.
Alright, you can reach.
Reach. Okay. Piece 1. I don't. Oh crap. All of the things are down here. You didn't see that.
I did.
You didn't.
Yes, I did.
I'll place it all in my Rock'em Sock'em robot.
I'm doing this wrong. It's like fine.
We're both gonna be making mistakes.
It's homemade, you know? I'm sure it's not that dangerous. Literally says on the instructions that how dangerous. Okay. People do this all the time. You know, Rose dyed her own hair red. Fun fact.
Also, everybody watching, no idea who Rose is.
Except for Rose.
Yeah.
You better be watching.
Does Rose watch these videos?
I don't know.
Probably not.
Probably not.
She probably has better things to do than watch us.
For those who wanted more Minecraft videos,
here's your Minecraft right
are
here.
you satisfied? We put a Minecraft Lego person in it for you. If it starts burning, let me know, because that's not a good thing. But I mean, it might burn a little, because bleaching does, I think.
Well, it's not burning.
It's always kind of burnt for me.
It's not burning right now.
Right now is keyword. I can't believe you're doing this. This is so cool, babe.
Ooh, that smell. I'm gonna get high off of those fumes.
Sorry. Should I open a window?
Probably should for the safety of them. Probably should turn this into like a live stream or
Sorry,
something.
open. Ooh, there goes your guy.
Awesome hair. Quick update. On the Lego, by the way, I got the torso finished
In 20 minutes. That's all he's
That's
done.
record. That's record time for a Lego.
For you?
For me and Legos.
I would have already been done.
Yeah, she would have already be done. But yeah, got the leg and the torso ready. Just got a lot more to do. I'm not, you know what? I've never had my hair bleached or any different color other than what I was born with. Even though I can't fully say I can't fully say that I'm a fan of this color. But I'm not hating it.
But we're not done yet.
I look like my lightsaber.
Oh no, no.
Alright, I'll update you in a minute. Let's come together.
I got it on his finger. Don't do that.
Oh, this is gonna look cool. Man, that's so weird.
We're gonna wash it out. I should have worn those. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Alright, he's done.
I don't even know what it looks like yet.
He doesn't, sir. Go get his first reaction.
The reason we're whispering is, I don't know if I'm gonna use the clip before, but Here's the thing, I gotta go to work tomorrow. My dad is my boss.
Do you work with him?
Yeah.
It's gonna be so
I'm
fun.
taking his shift.
You're an adult, you're fine.
It's amazing. So, look, oh my god. It's amazing. Should we go show your parents?
Oh my gosh. They won't let me date you anymore because I have the green hair for Christmas now.
Oh my gosh, this should have been for the cruise.
Oh my gosh, yes. Well, he did it, y'all. Brennan did it. I'm proud. Oh, and guess what? Where is it? He finished the skeleton. Just for you guys. Good job, Bren. Put on the glasses though, because it totally looks different without your glasses.
Where's my glasses?
Oh, and I got red on me.
Doesn't surprise me. Hold on. Let me go see.
So, to the hairstylists in our family, how do we do? And I'm sorry. You look like Markiplier. You look exactly like him, I swear. Not exactly. Not exactly, but...
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, you look like him.
Let me go disappoint my parents.
We're ready to be gamers, y'all. This is...
E-boy.
No.
This is shocking. I've never done anything like this before.
Apparently he doesn't do anything huge.
You just want me. Here, brush your peach.
Thanks for coming to our random little vlog on Brennan doing his hair for the first time ever. And me dyeing hair at home for the first time ever. Like and subscribe, like always. That's what everyone says. And follow.
Don't get away from us. I'll call the police. I'll call the police. Okay.